Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to carry out quick analysis formatting in Excel. So for this, we will go in Excel workbook. I'll select the data. The quick analysis tab will appear. Click on it. Activate the formatting. Now activate the data bars. So the data can be represented with data bars. Press Ctrl Z. Again click on formatting. Color scales. Again press Ctrl Z. Icon sets. So the data which is having a larger value is indicated by the up arrow, and which is having the less value is indicated by down arrow. These icons are based on the averages. Again, click on it, greater than. Just a minute, press Ctrl Z, click on it, greater than. So we can specify here the condition that if the cell value is more than 40, activate or highlight it. So this is greater than. Again, click on it, top 10 percentage. Press Ctrl Z. If you want to clear the formatting, you can do it from here. So this was all about quick analysis formatting in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to share and like my videos. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. You can join me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, link given in the description box.